Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE, in collaboration with the Media and Entertainment Skills Council, announces free awareness workshop on exploring careers awareness sessions in media, entertainment and creative media on 18 to 19 September 2025 at Jagran Lake City University, Bhopal. Principals directed to disseminate information and ensure participation of Class 12 students, faculty, and creative aspirants. NCERT announces free online courses on the Swayam portal to help students in classes 11 to 12 prepare for their board exams in economics, chemistry, mathematics, and other major subjects, with registration beginning on 22 September 2025. BCM School, Basant Avenue, Dugri, Ludhiana, hosted a CBSE parenting workshop for principals and counselors, aligned with the Parenting Calendar 2025-26. The program commenced with a gracious welcome address by the host principal, Dr. Vandana Shahi, who emphasized the importance of holistic education and addressing students' socio-emotional development. The interactive workshop, attended by 135 distinguished principals and counselors from across the region, was conducted by acclaimed educationists Mrs. Meenakshi Khushwaha, Principal, Birla Vidya Niketan, New Delhi, and Mrs. Anuradha Joshi, Principal, Sardar Patel Vidyalay, New Delhi. Participants engaged in interactive group discussions, case-based activities, and practical strategies to foster supportive learning environments and encourage active parental involvement. The event concluded with a vote of thanks by school counsellor Ms. Charanjeet Kalra, and principals appreciated the practical insights, expressing eagerness to implement them in their schools. CBSE asks all affiliated schools to promote My Career Advisor mobile app, launched during the 5th anniversary celebration of NEP 2020, to ensure students, teachers, and stakeholders access timely and personalized career guidance for informed academic and professional choices. CBSE directs schools nationwide to observe Swachh Bharat Divas from 17 September to 2 October 2025 and conduct intensive activities under the Swachhta Hi Seva campaign, with focus on cleanliness drives and key areas outlined in the SHS 2025 guidelines. CBSE directs schools in Telangana and the erstwhile Hyderabad state to commemorate the 78th Hyderabad Liberation Day on 17 September 2025 by organizing activities such as Prabhat Fairs, flag hosting, lectures, seminars, and essay competitions. Schools to upload a brief report with photos of the celebrations by 20th September 2025. Maharashtra launches youth certificate courses at Maharashtra State Skills University for the gems and jewelry sector. Initiative aims to build a skilled workforce, support rapid industry growth, and strengthen India's position as a global leader in jewelry exports. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.